Hi and welcome back to the channel. My name is Drew and this is Just a Guy Linux on YouTube. And this is kind of a supplemental video that I'm doing basically at the end of yesterday's video on DWM and key bindings, which was the fourth video we did in that series. I alluded to the fact that I was going to move the build over and try to append a little bit of this particular machine, which uses an ultra-wide monitor, and I wasn't successful. So that's why I'm having to do kind of a separate video just for this. This is, like I said, my production machine. It's using Debian testing. You can see up top the kernel 6.1 blah blah blah. I've got some updates to do apparently, and as far as the differences between the stuff that I did in the YouTube series and this particular machine is because it's been geared specifically for ultra-wide display. So this is a 3440 by 1440 monitor. Okay. Now let me just go over here, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the two patches that I changed. In the series that I did, I used attach bottom, and when I installed this centered master, in addition to that, it kind of didn't work for me, at least. I mean, it worked fine. It did what it was supposed to do, but it kind of kept me from like, oh, this isn't right. This isn't what I want. So anyway, I removed the attach bottom and I just installed centered master. In addition to all the other things that I had before. So that was the only one change. So I still have 11 patches, and I'll put them in the description below. As far as the layout is concerned, you can see that the master is always the middle portion of the screen, which is what I want. Now, obviously, there's only two things open on this monitor right now. So weirdly, the left side, or this, the text that you see over here, is the master currently, and then the larger is this stack. Now, again, you can always swap them if you wanted to. Okay, if you have three separate things open, you'd understand why. And then let me go ahead and finish my thought as far as changes. Okay. In the configuration file, in this line, this typically shows as in the default configuration as 0.55. That's why it's always slightly bigger on the master side as opposed to the stack, which is good. Okay. But if you're using three, if you're doing three, you might want to reduce that, because if you had the master be 55, then the other two are going to be whatever, split between 45. Okay, so that's why I used 40. Okay, now the other thing that I did was I changed, it being tile. No, I wanted the centered master to be my default layout. I don't really touch the layouts very often. Okay, so you can see it here. Centered master is default. Okay, now let me go ahead and open just a new workspace. Now I'm going to open up, let's say, btop. Okay, obviously it's taking up the entire display. So let me add something else, and I'm going to open up LightXL. Okay, so LightXL is in the master position, okay, and btop is in the stack. Again, they're a little bit as far as size difference. One is larger than the other. It seems weird, but when I open up, let's say, Pulse Mixer, it's going to be in the middle of the screen, and you'll see it's given the most real estate. So let me go ahead and open up something else, just a terminal. Okay, terminal, and you're going to see where everything gets redistributed. So, you know, the very first thing that I opened up is in the last position, basically, that last thing in the stack. Okay, it's weird. And then, you know, this is going, you know, as far as Pulse Mixer was just before, just after rather Light Excel. So, you know, again, I can go ahead and let's just go ahead and quit this and close it. And then let's open up, I don't know, Genie. Or actually, let's do this. Let me go ahead and close that, and then let's just open up another instance of Light Excel. Now you can see your, you know, where your real estate really, and you can use this. I think is a little bit more efficient than something that I would have seen without using centered master. And that's all I was trying to show is, you know, if you're using an ultra wide monitor, this is something that I would consider if you're using DWM to really get the most out of the full, you know, the width of your display. Okay, thanks again, and I'll see you soon.